So when you take it out, you want to clean that little ring around first and that edge stuff with a separate cloth. And one thing you still want to use is the spray. Unless you have something else, but the spray works pretty good. Now a quick wipe. Look at that. Pretty much works better than the compounds themselves. A little bit there, but I mean, going from that horrible disc to this, it's pretty good. And it'll probably work when I test it. All right, look at this. See another nicely scratched, scuffed disc. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, I did 2 minutes, same pad, not switching between pads, 2 minutes, and that disc, pretty freaking good. Almost flawless. So, there you have it. It works.